Hi, my name is Zaev and I'm going to show you a new WordPress plugin we are busy working on that automatically builds your menus for your WordPress site. So you will all be familiar with the standard menu structure of a website, and if we have a look at what that is actually made of, is pages that are in the submenu are actually nested in the parent page, and this allows us to create a menu as such. That's all simple and easy. Another key thing we need to remember is the order, because if we don't assign an order, the pages are going to appear in alphabetical order, and in some cases that might be okay. In other cases you might want it in a specific order. Adding another page to the site is as simple as add a new page, give it a title, give it some content, and publish it. So now we'll go back to our website and refresh, and we'll see, oh, services is there, but we want services after products. So again, you go to services, look at products, order 2, services, we'll make that order 3, and contact us, I've already set to order 9. We refresh the page, and then there we've got services. Very simple and straightforward. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a very involved menu structure in seconds, so that if you have a very complex menu like what we have, you don't need to sit and edit the menu bit by bit. Also, I'm going to show you how to quickly create these menus at the bottom of your website. Now, you'll notice I've got this last menu block, and that does not appear in the top here. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Our plugin, Auto Menu Builder, literally allows you to create a menu structure that's very complex in a matter of seconds. So I'll give you an example. This is our menu structure. If I was to add a page, so let's do that. And I'm going to make that page the parent of resellers, development, app development. Okay, that's the parent page. I'll publish it. Okay, so here you can see, here's new page. Okay, but if I go back to the main site and I refresh it, it hasn't appeared automatically because this is a manually built menu, unlike the modern WordPress themes that automatically build your menu. So the traditional way of doing it is to use a plugin called Delimiter, and with Delimiter use a plugin called Delimiter Header and Footer Builder. I can create my header, And my menu at the top in the header is just a navigation menu. There are many Elementor plugins that you can install that offer various navigation menu styles. If we go over to menus, here is my menu. Here in Elementor you will find there's all my menus, and this is the menu called menu. On the main back end, I go to appearance, menus, and I am in the menu called menu, and we can see it's not in there. So the trouble with doing it this way, you select the new page you want to add to menu, and it places it all the way at the bottom, which is painful because now I have to literally sit and drag and drag and drag, and it's going to take forever. But instead I can rebuild the menu by selecting drop down box full menu and select rebuild menu. Right, I go down and I check. Maybe I want to change the order, and then click save. Now, if I refresh the website, there is our new page. For SEO purposes, it's often nice to give our pages very descriptive names, but this clutters up the menu. So we thought of that. You can see I've used a space, hyphen space, between the name of the product and the description. I can go in here, choose for full menu, space, hyphen space as a delimiter, rebuild menu. Got new page, I want it over there, say save menu. Now I refresh development, app development, here's my new page, artificial intelligence, and it's just the names of the products. This built the entire menu in a matter of seconds, and this is why we developed this plugin. If we scroll down to the bottom, you can see we've got all these other menus, and we've got these which are not anywhere in these menus. Okay, so these are not about the company per se, that's just our legal menu, and we don't want to clutter the top menu with our legal menu. So I'll show you what we did. Let's go to pages. For app development, Android, we've got 0, we've got 0, new page, we've got 0, progressive app, we've got 0. If I go to new page, I want that to always be at the end, so let's give it a higher number. Okay, I'm going to go right to the end of all our menus, and here's legal. Legal does not get included in the top menu, and the reason why is we gave it an order 99. When you build the main menu, any parent page that starts with a 99 is ignored, and its subsequent pages underneath. However, if we go to menus you'll see we've got cloud and hosting, and it's got those items in it. Okay, select cloud and hosting, and we can build that menu. Development, and we can build that menu. But the last one we've got is a menu called legal. Now this drop down box auto populates all parent pages that have child pages underneath them. If it doesn't have child pages underneath it, it doesn't create that page. If I now come here and I go to app development, I don't have my new page, but I can go to development, select development, put in my delimiter, rebuild, now because I set the order, new page is automatically put at the end. Save menu, and if I refresh app development, there it is. Now how do I get these individual menus at the bottom? If I go to Elementor header and footer builder, and I open the footer, you'll see I've got all these navigation menus, and each one is its own menu. So when I need to rebuild one of these menus, I don't need to sit and manually drag and drop everything until it is what I want. I can literally just rebuild it from here using the auto menu build plugin. This makes life a lot easier, especially when you have a lot of menus like we have for our new website being developed. We're working on the app a little bit more, and we will be making it available on the WordPress repository so you can install it in your website soon. For details about when the plugin is available from the WordPress repository, follow us on Twitter with the handle you see on screen, or the link will be in the description down below. Thank you for your time. I hope that this was very informative and you are keen to use our plugin. Look forward to you on the next video.